Welcome to Ricoma Crafts. I'm so excited over this episode. We're going to do Mother's Day. We're going to create a pillow or you can do an apron. Remember, subscribe, like, and share. So let's get started. Okay, I have a pre-made pillowcase here for a home deck pillow, and I already measured the point start right here in the middle so I know where the center is. So I'm using the 10 by 10 magnet hoop. So I'm going to slide it in here and make sure it's straight here. And then put my cutaway light in here. And there it is. So now I can stick my arm of my embroidery arm in here so it has room to move back and forwards, and I didn't have to unsew my pillow. Okay, let's take it to the machine now. Now we're going to rotate the design in the design setting and go to rotate, and it's 180 degrees. It will embroidery out like this. I want to say okay. Now I'm going to go into my thread. I already chose my color of my thread. I want it on automatic manual because it's going to stop in between. And when we get down here, I'm going to add the sparkle mylar to it. So go home, and we're going to do a trace. I got to lock it, and I'm going to do a trace. There's my center. It's right there on the dot. So let's get started. Okay, the machine stopped, so now I'm going to lay the mylar on top where the flowers is going to be embroidery out, and I'm going to secure the mylar with my paper tape. Now we can just push start. It's done! Let's see how it looks. It's looking great. Let's just rip off the mylar. Now I'm going to take it out of the hoop. There it is. Now all we have to do is stuff it. I put the zipper on the bottom, so I turn it up like this. There it is. It's all done. I hope you enjoyed this episode. Remember, subscribe, like, and share. In the description below will be the design, and you can do it yourself. You don't have to use these same colors. You can do whatever you like. That's why I liked about Chroma. You can choose your own colors. So enjoy this Mother's Day pillow or the apron. Do whatever you want for your mother for Mother's Day. See you next time. Bye.